Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Ranchi location. It is from Jharkhand. Let's discuss one by one. There are job openings available from ISFH Foundation. So they are looking for agri advisors for Ranchi location. So interested candidates, please check with the job description. And coming to other details, the candidate should be having good communication skills in Hindi and having minimum 5 years of experience in any agricultural agencies or NGO, and qualification details will be masters in agriculture or PG diploma in agriculture, and similar education is preferred. So it is for Ranchi location and should be able to join within a week or 15 days. So interested candidates, after checking with the information, so if you are interested to apply for this position, so you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is recruitment at isfhfoundation.com. Next, there is a job vacancy for cashier from Inland World Logistics Private Limited for Ranchi location. And coming to job description, perform basic math functions to collect payments and make change, operate registers, scanners, scales and credit card or debit card terminals, memorize product locations throughout the store and be able to direct customers or make suggestions, handle exchanges and refunds in a quick, efficient manner, collect payments and back purchases for customers, maintain accurate cash drawer, take a tally of the funds in the cash register when required during a shift and produce transaction reports, keep the checkout area clean and orderly. So this is about the job description. You please go through it once. So interested candidates, for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can visit in this website link provided here, that is https://www.inlandworldlogistics.com/careers/. There is a job vacancy for retail trainee associate position from Shoppers Stop Limited for Ranchi location. And coming to job description, customer service, product display, team player, UP selling, cross selling and department. So this is about the job description, and as well as you please check with the roles and responsibilities provided here. And for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can visit in the website link provided here, that is https://career.shopperstop.com/. Next, there is a job vacancy for junior research fellow position from Central Towser Research and Training Institute for Ranchi location. Only one vacancy is available for this post, and the salary will be between 25,000 to 35,000 rupees per month. Freshers and as well as 3 years of experienced candidates can eligible to apply for this position, and education qualification will be BTech or BE, MSc, ME or MTech. So last date for application process is 6th April 2021. And for more detailed information about this job vacancy, if you are interested, so you can visit in this website link provided here, that is http://www.ctrtiranchi.co.in/. Next, there is a job opening for US IT recruiter. It is from Appian Infotech Inc. It is for Ranchi location, and it's a full-time job for night shift. Freshers and above 3 years of candidates and 3 years of experience candidates can eligible to apply for this position, and you can also check with the desired and essential skills provided here. So for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can check in the official website link provided here, that is https://appianinfotech.com/careers/. Next, there is a job vacancy for social media marketing. It will be a part-time or internship at Ranchi. It is from Paragon Financial Limited. And about the internship or job, selected interns day-to-day responsibilities. So this includes post advertisement on social media, manage day-to-day update, engage in calling and handle other work. So students and as well as fresher candidates are eligible to apply for this social media marketing position. So and are available for the part-time job and internship. It may be part-time in office or part-time at home or work from home online. So the candidate should be having relevant skills and interest, and those who can start the part-time job or internship between 23rd March 2021 and 27 April 2021. So it should be between these dates, and are available for duration of 2 months. So the candidates have already graduated and are currently doing their graduation. So these candidates can apply. Females willing to start or restart their career may also can apply for this position. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is ritesh.paragon@gmail.com. Next, there is a job vacancy for field sales executive position from Rentokil Initial. Salary will be up to 3.5 lakhs per annum and having minimum experience of 2 years. Coming to day-to-day responsibilities, to identify, source and secure both long-term and short-term pest control and prevention business opportunities, and to develop new business opportunities within current and new customer bases in accordance with the sales strategy, and to look after client retention by ensuring customers' ongoing expectations is met, and to manage day-to-day sales activities including proposal, service agreement and prospecting and managing market development, and also to support the service team by providing customer feedback, and also to develop good client relationships. At last, to provide reports as per the requirements. So these are the day-to-day responsibilities for this job opening. So interested candidates, for more detailed information about this vacancy, you can visit in the website link provided here, that is https://careers.rentokil-initial.com/. Next, there is a job opening for design expert position at Ranchi location. It is from Home Vista Decor and Furnishings Private Limited, and they are going to offer a salary range between 20,000 to 26,000 rupees per month. Coming to job description, Homelane is looking to hire interior designers with 2 years of experience across Ranchi location. So coming to requirements and qualification details. So requirements will be, applicant should be from design education background and should have mandatory 1 year of experience in the interior residential projects, and should be having good communication and presentational skills, should be flexible to work to meet business needs, and have practical knowledge of AutoCAD, Google SketchUp and V-Ray. So you should be having knowledge on all the platforms provided here. And coming to skills and qualification details, be capable of handling customers individually with creative designs as per company standards, and be able to do quick renting as per customer specifications, and provide information about interior accessories, and be able to educate customers about the competitive advantages of the products of the company, and also be able to coordinate with the internal department to ensure the smooth functioning of the project at each stage. So these are the qualification and skills details. So please check with the information provided here. So if you are interested to apply for this position, so you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is careers@homelane.com. At last, there is a job vacancy for pharmacist position from Apollo Telehealth Services for Ranchi location. So required qualification will be B Pharmacy or M Pharmacy, and having 1 to 2 years of experience in relevant field. Coming to job description, inventory management, dispensing of medicine, appropriateness of prescription, audits, medical errors, patient counseling, grievance addressable, and MIS. So this is about the job description. And for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can check in the official website link provided here, that is https://www.apollotelehealth.com/careers/. So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.